Here is the Iowa State Fair forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, August the 11th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have a frontal system along the eastern seaboard producing some showers and thunderstorms there, with a low pressure over Michigan. Some cloudiness with the next storm system off to our west could bring us some rain late tonight and into Sunday. Watch warning map from a bit before midnight. Fairly quiet across the country except for the excessive heat warnings across the desert southwest and in the San Joaquin Valley of California, and some air quality issues around Dallas-Fort Worth. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Showing some decent amounts of rain along the eastern seaboard with that departing system, and maybe a little bit of rain up to a quarter to half an inch around here, maybe on Sunday. So let's take a look at that with the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have the upper level feature moving into the eastern Great Lakes, the trough moving through the eastern half of the country, the ridge still to our south and west, and the next disturbance off to our west, bringing some showers and storms over the plains, showers and storms along the eastern seaboard. We're still quiet, cool, sunny, with increasing clouds and highs in the 70s and 80s. Sunday, that storm moves in, about a 20 to 30% crack at some showers and thunderstorms. Not everybody is going to get some rain, but it will be partly to mostly cloudy with highs around 80. Storm moves off Monday, could see some early showers in the eastern counties. Otherwise, it'll be clearing and slightly warmer, highs upper 70s to middle 80s. And then heading into Tuesday, the storm is now off in the Great Lakes. Temperatures around here 80s, maybe approaching 90 in the far western counties of the state. And a degree or two warmer here for Wednesday as another cold front will be coming through the plains and into Minnesota with some showers and storms there. Highs in the mid to upper 80s, maybe low 90s. Thursday, the storm blows through, mainly Wednesday night into a Thursday, maybe Thursday afternoon, and more cool air coming in behind it. Highs Thursday, a couple degrees either side of 80, maybe low to mid 80s. But Friday, it's going to be much cooler. Temperatures back into the 70s to possibly some low 80s, as the frontal system will be well to our east and into our south with high pressure coming in. And even a week from today, that trough is already starting to move off, and a ridge is starting to develop over the plains again. So this second cold wave is not going to last very long. And with that, the high pressure moves off here for a week from today, and the high winds will be switching back to the south, so temperatures will be warming quickly back into the 80s to maybe around 90 again by this point. A couple days later, on the 22nd, we have pretty much a zonal flow at this point, a ridge still to our south and west. We have a westerly flow aloft, storm system coming into the north and west. Could see some showers around here with a fairly unorganized system at this point, but this is still several days out, and we'll see what happens with that. And at the end of the forecast on the 26th, pretty much a ridge over the southern and southeastern half of the country. Storm track well to our north, but it's not an extreme heat, and we could still see maybe a few showers or storms, but they'll be very isolated, and temperatures will likely be back up into the 80s, maybe approaching 90 once again. So we'll have to see about that. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Sunday.